Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I love trying new ingredients, and because of all the global trading, I can do that. When it comes to produce, there are so many exotic varieties to choose from. Guava is one of them, and I use it in many of my recipes. Here are a few tips about this tropical fruit. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Guava is similar to an apple, except the seeds are also edible. So the first thing we want to do is to wash the fruit. If you don't want to eat the peel, just scoop out the flesh. Now we'll cut off the ends and discard them. You can eat it as is or cut it into small pieces for recipes, just like when I make my Caribbean barbecue sauce or other delicious recipes. Now, if the fruit is not ripe yet, here's a trick. Place the guavas in a paper bag and add a banana to it. Close the bag and leave it on the counter. After a couple of days, the fruit should be ready to enjoy.
As you saw in this video, there's nothing complicated about guavas, and they are a great ingredient to use. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!